Open the glove box. Remove the damper arm. Push in on the sides of the glove box to release the stops and detach the glove box. Unclip the tab and slide the housing door to the right. Remove the old filter from the housing. Insert your new filter into the housing with its arrow pointing up. To reinstall the housing door, hook the left side into its catch, then reclip the tabs. Reinstall the glove box by relatching the hinges. Partially close the glove box to re-engage the stops. Reinstall the damper arm. Close the glove box.
Order your parts today at filterheads.com. Also, please like our video and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any new content.